Hey everyone, Nick Ramoni here, and welcome back to my video. Today, I've got a really special story to share with you all about my journey in online marketing, the ups and downs, and how it completely transformed my life. So, if you ever felt lost or unsure about your path in the industry, you're definitely going to want to stick around, okay? So stick around. All right, so let's wind the clock back a bit. A few years ago, I decided to dive into the world of online marketing. It seemed like a no-brainer, right? The internet is this vast, incredible space with endless possibilities, and I wanted a piece of that pie. But, as many of you might know, it's not as easy as it seems. I spent countless hours researching, trying out different strategies, and honestly, I was left feeling pretty overwhelmed. It felt like I was pretty much on my own trying to navigate through this complicated maze with no help whatsoever. So, after a while, I just got fed up. I decided, that's it. Online marketing is not for me. And I swore it off completely. But here's the thing. Deep down, there was this little voice inside me saying, just give it one more shot. And as much as I tried to ignore it, it just wouldn't go away. So, after taking a couple of years off, I decided to listen to that inner voice and give online marketing another try. And let me tell you, it was the best decision I have ever made. I actually stumbled upon this incredible community of like-minded individuals who had been through the same struggles as me. They were heart-centered, supportive, and genuinely wanted to help each other succeed. And for the first time, I did not feel alone in my journey. I realized that even though I thought I knew quite a bit about online marketing, I actually knew nothing, zero, zilch. So I decided to start from scratch. I took the time to learn, grow, and really immerse myself in the industry. And slowly but surely, I started to see progress. And that brings us to today. Looking back, I'm so grateful for that inner voice that encouraged me to try again, and for the incredible community I found along the way. It's been an amazing journey, and I've learned so much. If there's one thing I want you to take away from my story, it's that it's never too late to start over and chase your dreams. Before we wrap up today's video, I have something really exciting to share with all of you. If my story resonated with you and you're ready to take the next step in your online marketing journey, I've got just the thing. Head over to freedomlifebusiness.com. This is the community that changed everything for me. We offer incredible resources, support, and a network of amazing people just like the ones I mentioned in my story. It's a game changer, and I genuinely believe it can help you transform your online marketing journey just like it did for me. So, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description below to check out freedomlifebusiness.com and start your journey towards success and freedom in your life and business. Trust me, you won't regret it. And who knows, maybe I'll see you on the other side. Check out these other videos on my YouTube channel to continue your journey and learn more about online marketing. I do have a tutorial on YouTube for absolutely free. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it inspiring. Here's to your success and freedom in life and business. Until next time, always make it a great day. God bless, and bye for now.